The most beneficial, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashra Botanical Garden. Viewers, today I am showing you another aspect of kitchen gardening. Viewers, you can see that I've taken a basket prepared from the coconut thread, the coconut hair. You can see this is a hanging basket, and you can after planting the plant, you can hang it anywhere you want. Here first of all you have see what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix 1/5 of the biofertilizer in the soil. Here you can see that I have to mix it thoroughly. Don't forget to use the gloves so that you can avoid all sorts of contamination, pests and other things. This is a well-drained bulk soil or a river bed or canal bed soil. Here I am going to, first of all, this is the small plant I have brought from the nursery. I have to place it in the center. You can see this is the mint plant, and mint plant, you know that it needs a lot of sun. It needs a lot of sun and it spreads up, and after frequent watering this becomes a very beautiful plant, and you can use it for your kitchen garden. You can see I am placed it in the center and I am adding the mixture of the soil. Here this not only give you a very good utility, but also it looks very beautiful. Hanging basket. Here you can see I'm looking beautiful and nice. We have added the fertilizer and the plant in the tokri or basket. Here you can see now you can hang this anywhere you want. This can be hanged. So viewers, I'm sure you like this idea and you will do this at your home. Just take care that where you hang this basket there should be ample sun. There should be sufficient amount of sun so that your plant is prosper and it would be a healthy plant. Viewers, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Allah Almighty keep you happy ever.